Vacancy 26. Brief information. The Hindustan Shipyard HSL has announced a notification for the recruitment of manager, senior manager and more vacancy. Eligible candidates who are interested in the vacancy details mariyu completed all eligibility criteria can read the notification mariyu apply. HSL Recruitment 2025 Notification Overview. The Hindustan Shipyard HSL has officially released a recruitment notification for manager, senior manager and more. For all details regarding the recruitment process, eligibility, and application procedure, refer to the official notification. Eligible candidates can download it from the link below. Hindustan Shipyard HSL. Adiviti No HRESO 0102 01 2025. Manager, Senior Manager and More Vacancy 2025. www.freejobalert.com. Download mobile app. Application fee. For all candidates, Rs.300. No application fee for internal candidates. No registration fee for SC/ST/PH and internal candidates. HSL Recruitment 2025 Important Dates. Starting date for apply online, June 3, 2025 from 1000 గంటలు. Last date for apply online, July 18, 2025 up to 1700 గంటలు. HSL Recruitment 2025 Age Limit as on July 3, 2025. Additional General Manager, 48 years. Deputy General Manager, 45 years. Senior Manager, 42 years. Manager, 40 years. Deputy Manager, 35 years. Qualification. Candidates should possess any graduate, BTech B.A., LLB, any postgraduate, PG diploma, member of ICAI. Salary. Additional General Manager, Rs. 90,000 minus 2,40,000. Deputy General Manager, Rs. 80,000 minus 2,20,000. Senior Manager, Rs. 70,000 minus 2,00,000. Manager, Rs. 60,000 minus 1,80,000. Deputy Manager, Rs. 50,000 minus 1,60,000. HSL Recruitment 2025 Vacancy Details. Post Name. Total. Additional General Manager Legal E6. 01. Deputy General Manager Technical E5. 01. Senior Manager Legal E4. 01. Manager Submarine E3. 04. Manager Technical E3. 14. Manager Company Secretary E3. 01. Manager Human Resources E3. 01. Manager IT మరియు ERP E3. 01. Manager Finance E3. 01. Deputy Manager Fire మరియు Safety Services E2. 01. Interested candidates can read the full notification before apply online. Important links. Extended notification. Click